Morning, Aria. You have a brother. Yeah. You have a brother. You have a brother. Are you sleeping? Did I wake you up? Your mama loves you so much. Yeah. Say good morning. Are we gonna get up? You're gonna get up? Is it time to get up? Up, time to get up. Say good morning. Say good morning. Up, time to eat. You have to welcome your brother into the world. More important to eat. Good girl, Ape.